Alright, so we're out here Christmas shopping. I'm gonna give my wife 30 seconds to touch whatever she wants and I'm gonna pay for it. So let's get it. Go. Alright, time's up, time's up. Yeah, you hit the TV? Yeah, you playing nothing.
The TV mount?
You got the mount?
Yeah.
Oh my god, alright, let's go to time to wrap this up. Alright, so now we got that done, we're out here looking for a Christmas tree. She looks nice, you know. We always get turned up for Christmas, always do the most. My computer room's gonna be all decorated. We're gonna change the whole studio up. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna let you pick whatever one you want. That one?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it. So now we gotta go tie it up and just get this wrapped up. Alright gang, so we just made it back home and there was a lot of shopping, a lot of carrying upstairs. It was crazy, but this is the room makeover. As you can see, we changed the color of the room last night. We put these lights, you know, we got a whole bunch of Christmas decorations. We're being extra this year.
Yeah, for this year.
And we also got some shelves to put up right here. We're trying to make the whole YouTube studio look good. You know,
make it a vibe.
Making Forex videos, drop shipping videos, challenges, all that. So it's got to be turned up. But let's get into it.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down.
Alright you guys, so this is it right here. We got our beautiful Christmas tree inspired by my wife. It looks nice. Look at all the details and all that. And then we put our minds together to make this thing for the YouTube background. You can't tell me this ain't popping right here. I love the way she put it all together. Got the little truck with the tree, Merry Christmas, joy. These things light up. It's gonna be a vibe. Oh, we got the Grinch right here. Got the Grinch, my homie right here. He's gonna help me take some trades. Dog right here gonna tell me when I lose. So now let's get to trading. Alright gang, so it's the next morning. I'm about to go out for breakfast, but I seen the trade set up, so I just entered it. I'm currently down, but you know, I'm sure it's gonna pull back up. Just gotta trust the strategy. So let's get it. Let's start off today right. Let's make some money. Let's do it, bro. So while we're waiting for this trade, let's just have a little conversation. Let me talk to the boys and the girls out there trying to be traders. Now with December and summer around August, bro, you just gotta be very careful because there's no liquidity in the markets. It's really trash, bro. I'm just keep it 100. So like right here, I'm going for like a 1 and 2. Usually I aim for a 1 and 3. But I noticed after I took the trade that this red line that I put right here, that's actually a 4-hour support or resistance. So if it gets up there and rejects, I'm out the trade, bro. I'm not taking no chances during December. I'm just trying to make it through, make a little bit of profit for Christmas, you know. But January, we're back to making these big trades, 1 and 4s, 1 and 3s, you know. All right, this trade looks like it's going against me, but if it does, it does, bro. You can't win them all. Well, let's see what happens. The game is all about probabilities, bro. You're not gonna win every day. If you do win every day, eventually a loss is coming. Just think about it this way. If you lose, just know that you're closer to a win. And if you keep winning, just know that you're closer to a loss. So just keep your mind right, bro. Like the last week I had was like 2 weeks ago, I had a really bad week. Stuck to it. This week I won every trade that I took. And this might be the first loss, but if it is, it's okay, bro. It's cool. All right, so next candle opened up. Looking like it's still dropping. I don't like that close, a really bad close, but my rule is if I enter a trade, I can't mess with it, bro. I can only mess with it if I'm in profit, like by a lot, but if I'm like hesitant, like, oh, I'm just gonna close it, no. I entered the trade with a clear mind. I have my analysis done, and I'm gonna stick to it, bro. Got 3 minutes left on this candle, so let's see what happens. If this one closes bearish, we might be done for, bro. It's looking like it wants to push up. 7 seconds. It's looking like we're gonna have a decent close. Let's see. All right, so we got a good close. We got a. I'm not really engulfing, but it's a strong candle. So restored some hope in me. Let's see what happens, bro. Alright, so I drew this line here to see if that gap wants to be filled. We got a support right there. Hopefully we could just break right through it and just move it a little bit. Yeah. We're pushing up hard right now, so let's see what happens. Looking good. Okay, yes sir, that's what we need. That's what we need. If it starts rejecting around that zone, I'm out, bro. I ain't even gonna risk it. I ain't even gonna risk it. Come on now, push up, baby. Come on, let's get it. Yeah, I'm about to, yeah, you see that rejection right there? Push up a little bit more. Come on. Oh, okay. What are we doing? Come on. No, it's rejecting. No, I'm out. Boom. Alright gang, so that's it for today. We took a win. I took only $1,800. I wanted to go for a 1 and 3, which would have been $3K, but hey, you gotta take what you get, bro. I'm not taking no chance in December, and you shouldn't either. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace!